Hi guys! So for today's video, highly requested yung Flexi mats ng Vice Cosmetics. Very quick info, this one retails for 245 pesos. Pero if you want to get all the shades, you can get it for like 1,960. Tapos meron kang kasama na pouch. So it comes in 8 shades. And I'm so sorry guys, out of the 8, I only got 5. Yung 5 shades na I'm pretty sure I can use for everyday. Dye. Ang mahal dye. Pag binili ko lahat dye, tapos hindi ko na magagamit dye. So, ang chika is, it's comfortable, pigmented, and long wearing. Meron siyang meadow foam seed oil, a plant-based oil with antioxidant properties para mag-moisten and mag-soften yung lips. And then, merong vitamin E na antioxidant din, anti-inflammatory, and skin conditioning. So, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan itong Flexi mats. So, itong itsura niya kapag nag-getching mo, meron siyang plastic seal, and then basahin mo na lahat ng pwede mong basahin dun sa plastic seal. Dahil, ayan, pag sinonggal mo siya, ayan, ganyan lang ang magiging itsura niya, dahil. And it's bullet type, twist, at ganyan ka-flawless ang itsura niya. You know what? Kamukha siya nung colorette lipsticks. Itechiwa. Ayan. Pero mas mura siya. Pero mas mura yung Vice Cosmetics. Ano sila, hirapan akong pumili ng shades dun sa mga photos kasi parang magkakamukha sila, dai. And mukhang magkakamukha kasi tinuwa itong first 3 shades ko. What? So first shade we have thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is thank you so much swatched on my hand, and this is thank you so much on my lips. And bango niya. May lipstick na may konting tamis. So itong sa thank you so much is like brown na may konting peachy undertone. Hindi siya like solid brown. Meron siyang very light pagka-orange or fleshy. Alam mo yun? It's good for everyday. Definitely. Next shade, we have Agimat. Haladay, ang lapit niya, day! What? So here is Agimat on my lips. Okay, so wearing it, I can see like the difference. Para siyang brown, pink. Yeah, brown pink. In person. Manude-nude din, and you know, perfect din for everyday. Pero based on your skin tone, you don't have to get both kasi sobrang lapit nga nila. So you should know what type of shades yung bagay sa'yo. You have to know if you're more on the brown peachy or if you're more on the brown pinky. Although si Agimat is tiny bit deeper than thank you so much. Pero kung ako tatanungin mo, I like Agimat better. For me, for my skin tone, for my based on my preference. So yeah, this is Agimat. Shade we have a Miss You So Matte. So ayan ang difference nila up close. Talaga ba, day? Ba't parang ang lalapit nila, day? OA, sobra. So eto si a Miss You So Matte on my lips, and you guys, it's not really burnt orange. Eto yung parang like solid brown. Eto naman may a little bit red undertone. So, eto may peachy, eto may pinky, eto may red-ish undertone. Pero, etong tatlo is more like brown nude gets. Pero, alam mo yon, I don't suggest you get all 3. Just get one na yung super bagay talaga sa'yo. Personally, GGSS ako kapag ka pinky, brown pinky. Or brown with pink undertone, which is this one in the middle. Pero, so, alam mo yun, ikaw, alamin mo kung anong bagay sa'yo para iwasan mo ng bilhin tong tatlo kasi, day, masyado silang magkakalapit, day. So, although sa tatlong to, pinaka-deep si Miss You So Matte. Pero, in fairness, lahat ng shades babagay sa lahat ng skin tone. Like, maputi ka man, mid, or very deep morena. So yeah, this is a Miss You So Matte. The last two shades apparently are reds. One of them is lighter, and this is I Love You So Matte. So eto si I Love You So Matte swatched. Eto si I Love You So Matte on my lip. Wala lang masyadong explain ha. Getchingin ang shade na itachiwa. So yeah, this is I Love You So Matte. Last shade we have Matte Taray. Ay, haladay. I mean, day! Huwag ka na magmataray. Dito kay mataray. Add to cart mo na rin yan. Wala na masyadong explanation. I-add to cart mo na yan. Alam mo, buti na lang. Ang gaganda ng reds. Medyo eme lang ako dito sa mga browns eh. Pero dito sa red, I love it. I'm so sorry, 5 shades lang meron ako. Pero overall thoughts, maganda yung quality ng lipstick. Although medyo alanganin din ako dun sa packaging. Kasi ito yung tipo na pag nilagay mo sa bag mo, madaling masyonggality yung takip and then kakalat siya sa bagelya mo. So make sure na kung lalagay mo ito sa bagelya mo, you seal it or you make ipit it somewhere inside there. Quality maganda. Maganda yung formula pag in-apply mo. Very pigmented. And hindi niya parang na-emphasize yung lines ng lips ko. So that's good. So for $245, pwede na. It's not super steal for me, pero pwede na. So that's the swatches and that's my very quick review. Pero ito na nga, sabi long wearing siya. Syempre, mag-wear test tayo. Tingnan natin kung gano'n siya ka-long wearing. Kasi kakain na kami ng lunch. So ito na yung gagamitin ko pang wear test. Itong si Matte Taray. So if you still wanna see kung gano'n siya ka-long wearing after eating, stay tuned until the end of this video. Pero ngayon pa lang, nagpapasalamat ako. Thank you so much for watching. At eto na, wish granted na. Hindi nga lang kompleto. I'm so sorry. Pero die! Kung may budget ka, sige go. Pero ako, ito lang yung carry bells ng budget ko. So if you wanna see how long-lasting itong Flexi mattes, gotta fire and watch until the end of this video. Mwah!
Tinanong siya kung naira.
So guys, I'm editing na yung video and eto na yung itsura niya after eating. Bagang fade naman siya. Just like any other lipsticks, magfa-fade and then magbe-bleed sa gilid. So, alam mo yun. But yeah, so far so good. Hindi naman siya parang drying, chappy, whatever. But yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. And more lip swatches to come. Abangan nyo lang. Thank you! Bye-bye!